name's Chris Pike from KPM. I'm the Senior Product Director, and today I'll be introducing you to the KPM QuikCheck. This is a moisture and oil analyzer benchtop unit, and today I will be showing you, I'm testing some tortilla chips. I pre-crush the tortilla chips to put in the bowl which is supplied. In the bowl you dump the tortilla chips that are crushed, and then you position the bowl directly onto the unit. The unit recognizes the bowl's there, and then within 10 seconds you will get a moisture and oil reading. There we see on the front display the moisture and oil, and at the side you have a USB stick that has the ability to store all of that data every time you do a test. That is the KPM QuikCheck.